Hi guys and welcome to TechBased. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable all the new features from the biggest December 2025 update for Windows 11 25H2 and also 24H2. The steps that I'm going to show you in this video are applying for both versions. So of course, as you all know, Microsoft is slowly rolling out features, and if you want to have them right away, you're going to have to manually enable them because they are present inside the operating system, but they're just waiting to be enabled. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to manually enable pretty much all the main features that you can find in this new build. And of course, if you enjoy videos like these, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. So let's begin with the video. So of course, as always, we're gonna have to set up ViveTool on our computer. Just get the latest version of ViveTool from the article below, and of course the latest version.zip for Intel and AMD. And then we're just gonna open it up using File Explorer. Inside the File Explorer, click on Extract All, click on Browse, and make sure you extract it into a dedicated folder. For example, in this PC, local disk C, and then create here a folder, Hidden Features. I have one already. I'm gonna select the folder and also copy the location because we're gonna need it whenever we are running the commands. Now click on Extract. In my case, I'm gonna have to replace the files in the destination, but we are good to go. This is how easily you set up ViveTool on your computer. Now open up the search box, type in here CMD, and then click on Run as Administrator. On User Account Control, of course, click on Yes. Inside CMD, type in CD and then paste the location where you extracted ViveTool, and then we're gonna have to run a few different commands and IDs to enable all the features from this latest update. And of course, a huge shout out to Phantom of Earth on Twitter or X.com for finding these IDs and for providing them online. First of all, let's enable the main feature bundle, and of course after each command you should receive the message successfully set feature configuration. The main feature bundle basically includes the main features, so with this you're gonna have pretty much everything, but if you want to have some other additional features, for example, this ID will enable the auto hide improvements for the taskbar, the option to share any window from your taskbar, this is the ID, the new device card inside the settings homepage, the new about settings page, the new cloud file search toggle in File Explorer, and also the new updated widgets that are provided by Microsoft in this build. And also finally, the ID that will help you enable the new context menu, the new minimized context menu inside the File Explorer. These are pretty much all the main IDs that you may need to enable in order to have everything that I've showed you in the previous video where I showcased the main features from the December update, which is basically the November update, but it was released in December. Now all we have to do is to exit out from the CMD and then restart our computer for the changes to take effect. And of course, after the restart, you will be able to notice all the features, for example, the new device info card inside the settings homepage, the new about section inside settings, the new advanced settings section where you're going to be able to customize the virtual workspaces, the new mobile devices settings page inside the settings app, the new dialogues with dark mode inside the File Explorer, and also the new minimized context menu if you're interested in that, the new animations in the taskbar related to the thumbnails, and also the improvements for the taskbar auto hide feature. If you're using it, it should now be fixed, the new updated widgets, and also the new improvements for the drag tray that you can now easily use to share multiple files of the same type. And also you can now disable if you open up the settings app and go into system and then nearby sharing, you're gonna have here the option to disable drag tray. These are pretty much all the main features. Of course, if you want to see an in-depth video about this, make sure to check out my previous video that I've done in which I showcased all the main features from this update, and also for all the steps that I've done in this video, ViveTool, and all the commands that I've used. Make sure to check out the article below in the video's description. Again, a huge shout out to Phantom of Earth on Twitter or X.com. Make sure to follow him from the pinned comment below. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Emmanuel from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.